Hi, it's Gautam, your PMP mentor from the recent PMP masterclass you attended. You might be thinking why Gautam is reaching out to me right now. There is a reason. It's been 6 months since I last mentored a PMP batch. Finally, this month I have cleared my schedule. I have decided to personally mentor a small group of PMP aspirants this month. Also, for this group, I have decided to provide my career and job assistance using my ultimate interview prep program. If you are aspiring to knock the PMP exam out by 2025 or within 45 days without reading single line from any books, it's a time for you and me to work together. To join this mentorship program or to get more information about this program, click the link below. Let's make your PMP dream a reality by 2025 together.